Hello to all working mommies here. Today I am going to share 5 simple tips for healthier weight loss. Now, why I am sharing this? Because if you are into your weight loss process already, I want you to consider this 5 simple tips and just correct it as your checklist. If you are following all these 5 things, you are going to get results. Okay, so let's jump on it. Number 1 is it's all about having balance in your nutrition and in your day-to-day routine. When I talk about nutrition, it is not about how much quantity you have your food, but it is more about what quality of food you are eating. So the nutrition plays a very important role, and the right selection of food makes it more important. The second thing is, when I say the balance in the routine, it of course includes the activity plan, your diet, and the mindset plan, because when you keep your mindset positive, then only you will be able to follow the process. And as the process is going to take time, you need to make sure that you keep your mindset positive throughout the process and to be continued post weight loss journey, right? Number 2 tip here is, make sure that you have at least 7 hours of sleep every day, because if you do not have 7 hours of sound sleep at night, then you are going to suffer with those hormonal changes and it is not going to give you a result. So what you have to do is, simple tip, you make sure that you go for sleep same time every single day and you wake up same time every single day. Now this is going to streamline your routine, as well as your body will understand the cycle of your rest period and your activity period, and along with that your body will also help you to lose your weight when you are sleeping. Yes, that's very right, because when we undergo a weight loss process, there are tremendous changes happening inside our body, and that is how it helps us into a weight loss. Number 3 is having enough water. Now what do I mean by enough? Is having at least 2 liters of water and above that. Now if your doctor has not given you any restrictions, make sure that you drink adequate amount of water, what you have been advised for. So the simple tip is, make sure you drink a glass of water, or you sip some amount of water in an hour, every hour in the daytime, so that you keep yourself hydrated. Our body requires water almost for every chemical reaction taking place inside our body, and it also gives us various benefits to have a weight loss, apart from suppressing our appetite, but it also keeps us hydrated and energetic. Number 4 is, make sure that you reward yourself along with your progress. It plays a so important role to keep you stick to your weight loss process. You can always consult your weight loss coach about it, because rewarding yourself with your favorite food is going to help you understand how you can progress towards your weight loss progress. And the other thing is, it keeps us motivated enough to also follow the plan which is going to help us for our weight loss, because generally we do not eat our favorite food when we undergo a weight loss process. So make sure that you reward yourself as directed by your weight loss coach. The last but not the least is counting your progress. It makes a lot of difference when you start counting your progress, and that's the reason you must check your weight at least once a week to make sure what is the progress saying about your plans, if it is actually working, and if it is not working, then you may have to discuss it with your weight loss coach. So make sure that you sit and understand if you're following these 5 things, and if you're following it, you will be getting your successful weight loss soon. Thank you so much.